Hi everybody, my name is Logan Luco of Noble Builds, and I'd like to show you how I built this beautiful European walnut butcher block computer desk. Let's check it out. Alright, so this butcher block was actually sourced from Home Depot, measures around 6 feet by 2 feet, just absolutely beautiful piece of wood. The design, we went with a floating top, just a 1/2 inch gap between the wood and the steel gives a nice illusion that it is floating. So in the video, I'll just be going over the process of how I made it and some of the design aspects of it, like these here, these cord cutouts. So thank you all for watching. Yeah, let's get to it. So let me give a little bit of explanation as to what I'm doing here. I'm using threaded inserts to bolt the legs onto the wood top. So I have the insert, I have the appropriate sized bit, and I want to use this tool here to drill perfectly straight holes. The only problem is the chuck is too small to accept that drill bit. So I find one just a little bit smaller that will accept into that tool. And after all the holes are drilled, I use a countersink to make things nice and neat. So here I'm drilling the initial hole with the smaller drill bit. From there I will switch bits, then do the primary hole with the larger bit, then countersink each hole to make things nice and neat. Very nice. Very nice. Well, I hope you all enjoyed the video. This project was a lot of fun for me to make. The desk is for some dear friends of mine, and so I hope it will be a blessing to them for many years to come. Now you'll have to forgive me in my haste of trying to wrap up this project and many others within a few days. I did not take any good quality pictures. So again, forgive me for that. Hopefully someday I'll be able to snag a few and post them to my social media accounts. So here it is one last time. Thank you all for watching. I really appreciate it. Consider liking and sharing this video. We'll see you next time.